Hello, I'd like to talk today about the importance of breathing deeply. I'm just outside, as you can see. Fresh air. I'm in this little park. It's like a little island in it's like a square, little tiny park. And what I want to say about the breathing is you can enhance your sessions as doing Reiki healing and animal communication, or in general in life. You don't have to be a therapist in day-to-day activities, but I'm talking about in regards to being with our loved animals, or also animals in shelters, rescue animals. You can definitely improve your performance, as in the therapy you're doing, by remembering to breathe deeply at all times before you start your session, and during. Just keep coming back to your breathing, and obviously follow all your techniques, and I'm sure a lot of you are aware of this. And it's important to breathe through the diaphragm, because a lot of us do it wrong. We breathe from the chest, but breathing from the diaphragm and breathing really deeply. Some suggest it's good to inhale 4 and then hold for count of 7 and exhale counting to 8. There's different kinds of techniques. I'm sure you can find lots of I know you can find a lot of information on the internet. Just Google it, breathing deeply and the health benefit of breathing deeply. And so using this will help you greatly in every aspect, and your performance as a Reiki healer, animal communicator, all kinds of other therapies, and in interactions with your animals and with people too. So breathe deeply and exhale. And when I do this, I kind of say in my mind, inhale love, be love, when I'm holding at the breath, and then exhale love. Because some people actually, they say inhale love and exhale fear. And there's other opinions when it says inhale fear, exhale love. And my idea is, which I believe, is a good one, but good for me anyway, for my thinking, it's inhale love while holding, say, be love, and then exhale love. Or you could play around with your own version of it. But for me, it's all about love, about being love, and about giving love, and expanding this love and being loving to everyone, to all beings. That's it for now. Keep breathing deeply. Remember, lots of love. Bye.